In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build the AI brain of your automation with n8n's LLM nodes. Think of this section as the brain of your workflow. Instead of just moving data from point A to point B, we're giving your automation the ability to think, analyze, classify, summarize, and even make decisions. I'll walk you through each AI-powered node, explain when to use it, and share a few tips so you get reliable results. Start with the AI agent when you need the most advanced behavior. It can use tools you connect, remember context, perform multi-step reasoning, and make decisions. This is ideal for assistance, smart automations, or any decision-heavy workflow. Give it clear goals, connect only the tools it truly needs, and enable memory to maintain context. Use the OpenAI Node when you want a straightforward connection to OpenAI models for text generation, chat responses, or prompt-based tasks. It's perfect for simple LLM usage. Keep prompts specific, include examples, and cap response length for predictable outputs. Choose the basic LLM chain for controlled prompt-to-response flows and structured outputs. It's a simpler chain that shines when you need consistency, such as templated responses or fixed fields. For pulling data out of unstructured text, the information extractor converts a sentence like, "A customer paid $500 on March 2nd, into clean fields such as amount and date. It's great for invoices, lead details, and email parsing. Define exactly which fields you want, and the model will aim to fill them. The question and answer chain supports retrieval-based QA. Use it for knowledge base bots, FAQ automation, or document search. Make sure your documents are well indexed, relevant, and kept up to date. Sentiment analysis determines whether text is positive, negative, or neutral. It's useful for customer feedback, reviews, and social listening. Decide what action you'll take for each sentiment to close the loop. Summarization chain condenses long content like emails, documents, or meeting transcripts. Specify the desired length and focus so you get concise, actionable summaries. Text classifier assigns categories, such as routing an email to support, sales, or spam. Provide clear labels and examples to improve accuracy. Chat Memory Manager stores conversation history so your chatbot remembers prior messages. Without it, context is lost. Set sensible retention and respect privacy. Finally, AI Transform lets you rewrite, change tone, or convert formats on demand. Keep instructions short and direct for consistent results. With these pieces, your template is clear. Data transformation, flow and core, app actions, and AI agents. Together, they form a complete n8n master architecture for intelligent automation.